hope you're doing well, and most importantly that you're staying safe and healthy, and that is also the case for everyone you love. And since a lot of us are stuck at home, I decided to make this video on dressy but comfy outfits, in case you want to spice things up a little bit while you're home, if of course you are home. If on the other hand you're not, then you can wear any of these outfits outside. You'll notice I styled all of them with outdoor shoes, specifically for that purpose, because I actually don't wear shoes at home, I only wear socks. But these are the shoes that I would wear if I would actually wear these outfits out. So here you go, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 dressy but comfy spring outfits for warm to cold spring weather. Let's get into it! And the first outfit, part of which you've actually already seen in my intro, is going to be this monochrome burgundy look. Complete with a burgundy cardigan, a burgundy dress, and a pair of burgundy boots. By the way, am I the only one this happens to, or do your tall boots always slide down? I have no idea how to fix this, but I really like tall boots, so I still keep wearing them, but I find that I have to just hoik them up every little while, and it's kind of annoying. Clearly I'm all about practicality when it comes to my style. Now, I think we can all agree that this outfit is dressy, but I am now going to try to take on the much more daunting task of convincing you that this outfit is actually comfortable. So first of all, a dress actually allows for a lot of freedom of movement, and you know, you get a lot of ventilation if you are into that sort of thing. And pairing it with a cardigan means you can also be super cozy whenever you want to, just by closing your cardigan and snuggling up tight in it as if you're under a little blankie. And yet, it is the kind of blankie that is definitely suitable to be worn for any occasion. Not just when you're sitting home all alone, which is actually when I wear most of these outfits. Yet another benefit of a cardigan is, if your dress is a little bit open, like mine, or let's be frank, a lot open, you can always wrap your cardigan around that dress, and all fixed, right? Now, this next outfit is for those of you who are experiencing a nice warm spring right now. We actually had snow for the last few days, so that is definitely not the case here. In fact, if I wore this outfit indoors without adding a sweater, I would either have to crank up my heating to the point where my electricity bill would be absolutely insane, or I would just be frozen all the time. But this is a spring outfits video, and I would definitely wear this outfit if it was a nice warm spring day, and I will probably be wearing this outfit later in the season. And for this look, I actually started with the skirt, and because the slits go so high up my legs, I decided to add a pair of tall boots to add just a little bit of warmth to this outfit. It wouldn't help much, but it would definitely help a little bit. And then I added a black top with a dramatic floral print over it to add a little bit more drama to the outfit and to match the rest of the black colors in it. And of course, because I'm chronically overdressed, I added a little sparkly cuff to dress the look up even more. As for why this outfit is actually comfortable, well, I find that a long skirt actually gives the same sort of ventilation and freedom of movement that we covered for the previous outfit regarding the dress. And of course, a nice flowy top is always very comfy and loose and makes it look like you tried really hard when really you're wearing something that feels like pajamas. And in this outfit we have what is probably my absolute favorite skirt. And it's nice and long, flowy, metallic, silver. And of course the combination of all of these wonderful little elements make it wearable with pretty much any outfit, and super comfortable, and great for summer, winter, or anything in between. Okay, I know that's a pretty high endorsement, but I've actually worn this skirt with just a plain t-shirt and sneakers, and it made it look like I actually tried, even though I really didn't. So if you are at all into skirts like this, I actually highly recommend you get something similar. Of course, in this outfit, since I wanted it to be dressier, I went with something more dressy than tea, which is this bell sleeve white top. Now, besides the point that statement sleeves are one of my favorite style elements just because they I don't know, make me feel a little bit like a princess, and apparently I secretly crave that because I'm 12. But in general, I also find them to be quite dressy and quite elegant and quite comfy. And there are a lot of ands in this sentence. And, hee hee, it adds all of these elements to a skirt which arguably already has them. Which makes the whole outfit extra heavy on, well, pretty much everything I just said. Now, of course, I couldn't leave well enough alone, so I decided to add a statement black belt to match the little black ruffles on the sleeves. And to make this already dressy outfit even more so. Finally, I matched that with a pair of simple black ankle boots. I bet you didn't think you were going to see leggings in a dressy outfits video, but it's a comfy / dressy outfit video, so leggings are pretty much a must in my book. Is it cheating if your leggings are metallic and glittery? I don't know. Is it? The only thing I know is that the 12-year-old I mentioned earlier, you know, the one that lives inside me, is attracted to all things sparkly, and that definitely applies to these leggings. Also, leggings, by their very nature, are really comfortable and feel pretty much like you're wearing pajamas, or, you know, like you could do yoga in them. There's a reason people do yoga in them. They are stretchy, and they let you be just as stretchy as you want to be. You know, in case you need that for your homebound activities. And I match my super stretchy leggings with a white knit sweater. And even though black is actually my absolute favorite color to wear, or rather my favorite neutral color to wear, I think that white can be a little bit dressier just because it might look like you tried a little bit harder, probably because you do have to try harder when you wear white, because otherwise you end up spilling things on it, or maybe it's just me. In any case, I actually represented black as well in this look by adding a neutral pair of tall black boots to add a little bit of extra drama to this outfit. And speaking of extra drama, I wouldn't be chronically overdressed if I didn't add a statement necklace to this outfit, and in this case I'm using a mostly metallic statement necklace to go with the metallic colors in the leggings. Now here we have florals for spring again, but this time they're in the form of a dress and a much lighter floral print, probably something you'd be more likely to see for spring. In the summer, I'd probably ditch the jacket and wear the dress with a pair of sandals rather than a pair of tall black boots, but spring weather is fickle, and one day you have the sun shining beautifully and the next day it's snowing, at least in this part of the world. And minus the sun shining beautifully. Now, if you are in the same situation, warming up your spring dresses with a nice pair of boots and a nice dark colored jacket is usually a good idea. After all, it's always easier to take off a layer that you have with you, rather than to find a layer that you, well, left at home. Now, I actually built this outfit around the dress, so I started with that and its light floral print with a few black elements, and I matched those black elements with a pair of black boots and a dark denim jacket. Now, I then matched the pinkish tones in the floral print with a light pinkish belt, sort of. I thought it was close enough in any case. And my final point about this outfit is that it is actually very comfy. And the reason for that is that not only does it involve a dress, but it actually involves a long dress. So it has all the comfy elements from a dress and a long skirt combined into one cozy and easy to style item. This next outfit has yet another metallic skirt, but this one is a short denim rose gold version. I like metallics, by the way. Not sure if you can tell. In any case, here I'm pairing my metallic skirt with a burgundy sweater, and I rolled up the sleeves a little bit to make the outfit more spring appropriate. I do realize that if you live in warmer weather you are going to roast in this, but I was actually perfectly toasty in this, and not at all in a bad way. And in case the outfit wasn't warm enough just yet, I'm pairing my metallic skirt with a pink floral scarf to match the pink tones in my rose gold skirt. And the last piece that I added to this outfit is, shockingly, the same pair of black boots that I've worn in half of the outfits in this video. What can I say? I really like my tall black boots, and they're kind of perfect for cool spring weather. And another little perk was that they actually matched the black colors in my scarf. This next outfit is yet another one with leggings. Now, I'm not gonna go into my whole little spiel about why leggings are so comfortable again, cause you're probably still tired from hearing it that first time. Now, the leggings here have quite the ambitious print, and so I decided to start my outfit by focusing on them. Side note, if you do have something with a complicated print, it's always easier to start with that piece and just build the rest of your outfit around it. Since the print actually has a lot of warm tones, I decided to pair that with a lot of warm-toned red pieces. But I decided to also keep all of them dark because I didn't want to detract much from the print. That's why I actually kept everything else within the same color family. With one exception, and that exception is a statement necklace. But I wanted to make the outfit a little bit dressy because, well, just leggings and a loose top is not as dressy as it could have been, but adding a statement necklace really helps to dress things up. And the colors in the statement necklace are black and gold, which actually work really well with the print because it has a lot of black and gold in it. As for the comfort level of this outfit, the fact that it has both leggings and a nice loose flowy top, well, let's just say I could actually sleep in this and be fully comfortable. This is another one of these outfits that I'm definitely going to have to reserve for summer, but if you are blessed with warmer temperatures, then you can definitely wear something like it. Here I'm wearing a floral dress with a high-low hem, with a nice dark tropical print, which makes it somewhat springy, a little bit summery, but still pretty dramatic. Personally, I really like to add lace tights to my outfits because I like the rock and roll vibe, and I also like the fact that they make me a little bit warmer, which is perfect for cooler spring weather. But the tights are completely optional, and you can go with just plain black tights, or plain green tights, or no tights at all. And this outfit would work just as well. And I'm keeping things pretty simple on my feet by pairing this whole outfit with a black pair of ankle boots, just to keep things elegant and simple. You know, since the tights already give it quite a bit of edge. And the final piece of this outfit is a green choker, to match the green print in my dress. Now, I realize that chokers are not on trend anymore, but I've always loved them, so I'm gonna wear them. If it bothers you, you could always go for a simpler necklace. Maybe a gold metallic would work pretty well with this. I like this particular choker though because it's pretty much just a piece of cord that you tie into a bow or leave the ends hanging, and it doesn't really compete for attention with the rest of your outfit, and it's really adjustable, so it's actually pretty comfy. This next outfit has leggings again. Did I mention they're comfortable? But this time, this outfit is all about the black and white color combination, which is always an elegant way to go, and it's always easy to put together. Probably most people actually have black and white pieces in their wardrobe, and all you have to do is mix and match, and anything you put together will probably work. 90% sure that it will. Maybe 80. Please don't quote me on this. In general though, this is pretty much another pajama-like outfit with some floral black and white printed leggings and a nice cozy white knit. And I added a few more black and white elements to tie into the whole black and white look that I've been talking so much about. And I did that by pairing all of this with a pair of black ankle boots, a pair of white leg warmers, but you could also just do this with white socks. I like leg warmers because, yes, they do keep my legs warm. And yes, I also am aware that they've gone off trend for years now, but I like them, so I wear them. Don't judge me too much. And the last and probably most important piece in this outfit, because it dresses it up the most, is this black and white necklace. Now, this black and white necklace has a bit of a grandma chic vibe going on, but I love it. My mom bought this for me years ago, and I actually wear it quite a bit because black and white just goes with so many different outfits, especially when you wear a lot of black and a little bit of white.
which is pretty much my entire color aesthetic. Now, the only problem with this necklace is that it's actually pretty heavy, because, well, it's made out of glass. But I feel like maybe it's strengthening my neck muscles, so it's worthwhile to wear. I mean, really, I'm just wearing it because it's pretty, but a girl can dream, right? And finally, we have another dress with all of the comfy and dressy benefits that come with it. And surprise, surprise, it is in another floral print, except this time the print is in black, white, and red, with a few hints of yellow, which I feel that makes it a little bit more dramatic, which, well, if you've seen this entire video, you know that I really like dramatic outfits. As for the rest of this look, well, there are actually only two other pieces of clothing that I'm wearing here, and the first one is another surprise, the same pair of tall black boots. Yes, I wear them a lot, but again, I feel like they work really well, and they really help to warm up a shorter dress, like this one, and the numerous other shorter dresses slash skirts that I've worn in this lookbook. And the other piece is actually a red cropped sweater, and it's red because I'm matching the red in the print of the dress, and cropped, well, because I wanted to let more of the dress show through, and I actually rolled up the sleeves to make the outfit just a little bit more appropriate for warmer slash cooler spring weather, whichever way you want to look at it. Cooler because it's a sweater, warmer because, well, I rolled up the sleeves.
And that was the last outfit. Well, this, I guess, is the last outfit. I really hope that you found this video useful and that you liked it. And I really hope that maybe it gave you some ideas for your spring styling. I know that when I feel down, dressing up a little bit actually makes me feel better, as shallow as that sounds. But sometimes shallow things can be nice too. It doesn't all have to be deep all the time. This would be a perfect place for one of those "that's what she said" jokes. In any case, I hope that you are enjoying your spring, at least to some extent. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Be you, always. Bye!